Is Bitcoin going to hit 30K by December 30th? Stick around, let's find out. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's get started. Let's talk about Bitcoin now. I wanted to jump this thing off because Bitcoin has been such an amazing currency to be involved with, so I was lucky enough to be introduced to it back in 2016. I was there for the ride up in 17, the crash, all that good stuff. And it is exciting to see that it is coming to fruition, 30K by December 30th. I think it's real. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. With your help, we're gonna get there. Like the videos too, so that way YouTube knows that this is some good stuff coming through. Comment 30K by the 30th or 30K down below if you think that Bitcoin can hit 30K. So let's get started. Blow off top or $30,000. Traders muse Bitcoin's end of year fate. After a historic day in which the headlines could hardly keep up with the price action and Bitcoin set a new all-time high above 26,500, traders and analysts are now turning their attention towards what could be in store for the digital currency over the next 5 days as 2020 comes to a close. Historic candle. While an 8 to 9% daily gain might be pittance compared to Bitcoin's historical volatility, there was a 42% rally as recently as 2019. As Masari founder Ryan Selkis pointed out, today's rally featured only the second $2,300 candle in the digital currency's history. Bitcoin's first $2,300 candle took 8.5 years, and it's done that again today. And this was earlier when it was at 26,690. It is currently right now sitting at 26,708 as we speak. Perhaps caught in the euphoria, some traders are already looking towards when daily candles eclipse 5 figures. So Luke.Hodl here you can get him on Twitter at Coinosphere. When will Bitcoin have its first 10K day candle? Can you imagine that $10,000 rally in one day? That would be awesome to finish off this year, 36 grand, right? What if we get up to 36K a coin by the end of this year? It'd be incredible. Clamoring for $30,000. Positive headwinds are swirling for Bitcoin's next stop. Bitcoin is currently trending on Twitter with 164,000 recent tweets, comfortably outpacing the next highest trending item, the archaeological discovery of street food stalls in the ruins of Pompeii, which is pretty cool, actually. Additionally, as Cointelegraph has previously reported, this recent rally has put Bitcoin back on the path plotted by the popular stock-to-flow S2F model, which forecasts a price of. Another popular folk metric indicated that Bitcoin mania still has a long way to climb towards 2017 peak as well. According to Google Analytics, search history for Bitcoin is barely at a fifth of the all-time highs. And we just talked about this actually a couple of days ago in a video I did where Twitter had the day that Bitcoin hit its newest all-time high recently, there was no mention of it hardly at all on Twitter. So I'm glad to see that Twitter finally has it trending today, because today's a huge day. Also on Google Analytics, there was hardly a blip at all of the search term of Bitcoin at all. So as you can see here, Google Trends data is finally picking up. Searches for buy Bitcoin are around 1/5 of their all-time peak, which will searches eventually 10 times the last peak. It has begun. So way back here, January of 2014, 2004, 2013, pops up here and boom, this was that first spike when it hit the all-time high. But if you look here, we're at all-time highs, highest all-time highs, on its way to $30,000, and still Google doesn't have it on a trending topic right now. The 100% level is where you want to be. It is not even at the 25% line of talked about. Altogether, the positive sentiment and parabolic price action have a greater and greater number of traders clamoring for 30K by the 30th, a $30,000 price on December 30th for Bitcoin. Stacking at Stacking USD, retweet for 30K BTC by the 30th. Blow off top. Despite the positive sentiment and price action that puts Cape Canaveral to shame, some traders are already lining up possible short positions. One trader is calling for a blow off top in the next 2 weeks. So Crypto Leo's being a pessimist here. BTC talk about precision on the bull cycle dates. Solid push up for anyone who was in the long. Excited to see what happens once the algo flips bear again. The next bear cycle could be it, potentially, or patiently waiting. And there's got to be a bear coming because there's got to be some sort of correction. Historically, when it gets out of control on the positive for Bitcoin, there is a 30% retracement. So we'll see what happens. But history does repeat itself typically with everything. So we'll see. Crypto Leo also said, update, weekend blow off in full motion. I suspect the hammer will come within 2 weeks. And you can see that it was just driving in price. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour candles here. So you can see this right here was December 19th. It was just kind of just chilling, not doing much. Even had a little correction back down to the day. Came down all the way to 22,000. This was December 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Basically, it was just all waiting for this skyrocket. So now we're right here. This was on the 25th. So Christmas had that nice shoot up, had a tiny little retracement, and then all the way to here now, the 25th, rocketed up all the way up to 26,000. And now the official market day has changed over to the 26th. And as you can see, it is sitting at $26,688. So can it get up to 30,000 by the end of the year? So while it remains in the minority sentiment, he's not alone in thinking turbulence could be ahead for Bitcoin. $2.3 billion worth of Bitcoin futures expired on Christmas Day, which historically has led to choppy markets. Where do you see Bitcoin going? Are you seeing it going positive? Are you seeing it going negative? Are you scared? Are you excited? Do you care if it goes down? Are you ready for it to go down so you can buy more? Are you going to buy the dip? You're going to buy now? Where is it that you feel excited? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you've enjoyed this part of it, going over all of the analysis and everything, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Plus, if you want to learn how to read these charts, see what I'm seeing, understand the knowledge, I highly recommend you get started with Epic Trading. They are the ones that have taught me everything about trading crypto, trading Forex, trading stocks. Everything that I've known so far is from the school here. To become an Epic Scholar, just reach out to me. All you have to do is go to winwithryan.com. You can sign up for our newsletter, and that will give you information also about the Epic Trading University and becoming a scholar. When you get into the program, you get the full university, which has tons and tons of curriculum, has the best trading educators out there in the market right now. Epic Trade Alerts, they'll let you know when is a good time to put in a trade, when is it a bad time to put in a trade so you don't do the wrong thing. Live trading sessions, you can watch live professional traders, 6-7 figure traders do real live trades in front of you, see why they're actually making trades, and they teach you how to make trades as well. Fundamental analysis, just like the analysis you got here, but on all of the cryptocurrencies, on all of the different foreign exchange markets as well. Market forecasts every Sunday, and also member support. So if you ever have any questions, you can reach out and they're there to help. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sign up for the newsletter, winwithryan.com. Hope you guys love it. Talk to you later.